Hey guys, good morning. I guess it's tropical storm, the first one of the season. And I guess they're calling it Andrea. Tropical storm Andrea. It's not Hurricane Andrea. I mean, look. It's tropical storming out there. What? Why do they start naming these tropical storms? I mean, if you've lived in Florida any considerable amount of time, you know that tropical storms, splashy. I like driving through the big puddles. But you know that tropical storms, it's not like howling winds and devastation and all kinds of crap. It's not. It's more just like a moderately heavy rain for a few days. You know? And snowstorms. They started naming snowstorms too. What the heck? Seriously? It's like people started getting jealous that only hurricanes were getting names. Before, you know, a couple of years from now, they're probably going to be like, "Oh no, it rained today. We're going to call this Drizzle Patricia." You know? It's like they're going to start naming all the clouds. There was a massive cloud that just floated over our city. We're going to name it Cloud Bob. You know? This is the most retarded thing I've ever heard of in my life. You know, the reason people name hurricanes, like if you wanted to name tornadoes, I could understand that. But people named hurricanes because, you know, if something wrecked your town, like Katrina did, you know, you say Hurricane Katrina, people know exactly what you're talking about. They know that, yeah, it pretty much obliterated South United States. But if you're like, yeah, that one tornado back on whatever the heck date it was, yeah, then people are like, or the hurricane, you know, people are like, what are you talking about? Which one was that? You say Katrina. Oh, Katrina. This is like Hurricane Ike. Oh, Hurricane Ike. Like, if you want to name tornadoes that wreck cities, I get that. But naming just a bunch of rain, naming it's just a bunch of snow, like they've got names for that already for the snow thing. If it's raining a bunch, like the blizzard of '93 and stuff like that. People are like, oh yeah, that blizzard, man, that was a monster. Snow up to here and stuff. And but just a bunch of snow and a bunch of rain, come on, you gotta be kidding me. It's the most retarded thing I've heard of in forever. I'm driving through, what is this, like 8 inches of rain in a good solid work hours, you know? What is this, 9 to 5, we get 8 inches of rain or something? Let's say an inch of rain an hour. That's not that bad. I mean, besides these yahoos in front of me driving 35 miles an hour, it's going to make me late for work. Besides that, this really impacts nobody. Flood warning? Come on. The entire state is flat. Florida never floods. Florida is flooded. Florida is one giant marshy swamp. A slowly shrinking sandbar. I don't get it. Well, anyways, enjoy your day. Enjoy Tropical Storm Andrea coming up from the Gulf. So this rain that I'm experiencing is as bad as it's going to get. Wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. No kidding. I don't know. I just think meteorologists got bored one day. Not enough donuts and coffee in the break room, I guess. And so they're forced to entertain themselves in other ways.